this is Rich from Square Design Space. In this tutorial we are going to talk about how you can add pages to your Squarespace site and how you can add different sections and manipulate the layout of your Squarespace 7.1 site. So really the basics of building your site are going to be covered in this tutorial. So let's go ahead and dive in. What you're looking at is just a generic website that I threw together really quickly for these tutorials. And let's go ahead and jump in and I'll show you how you can do this. So let me back out actually. So we have our main menu here. To add a page, we're going to go to Pages, and then we have the main navigation and not linked sections. So if we wanted to add a page that can be accessed in this main navigation here, then we would add it here. If we wanted it to be accessed through a button or through a link in our content somewhere, then we would add it to not linked. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to add a link to our main navigation, and we've got blank page where you just start from scratch, page layouts, collections. I'll just show you what these page layouts are. They are kind of nice. So you have just some general designs that you can easily drop in to your site, and then you can manipulate them from there. These can be completely customized. It's not like you're locked in once you drop this in. So hopefully, you know, this just makes it easier for you to find what you need and drop it in. So what we're going to do, we're going to drop a reviews page in here. Alright, so I chose that layout. We'll just call this reviews and hit enter. That's going to add that to our main navigation. So you can see it's showing up right in the beginning, and I actually want that to show up at the end. Okay, so now we have a reviews page dropped into our site. Now let's talk about adjusting the content the way that we like it. So I'm going to click edit here. Alright, so right away that text is just too big. So I'm going to highlight that and I'm going to change it to maybe heading 4 will be alright. Okay, that works. And that's pretty good. So now let's talk about this section. So if I click on the section, you can see this opens up here, this little menu. So what we can do, we can duplicate the section if we wanted to. If we had different sections on this page, we can move it up or down with these arrows, and we can edit the section, and there's all these nice little features here that give you a lot of control over how this section looks. So you can change the height of the section by small, medium, or large, these little buttons here. You can also change it to a specific height if you prefer to do that. Small, medium, and large pretty much work. It should cover most needs. Content width, you can see that shrunk that down a lot because now it's only taking up a small amount of the width of the page. So you can easily adjust that. So I kind of like medium on here. And you can see you can also align the content either to the top of the page, right in the middle vertically, or the bottom. And you can align it to the left or to the right. So maybe for these reviews it'd be kind of cool if we had this to the left, and then this one is a new section here, so maybe this one we do to the right. So we'll say content width medium, and then we'll move it to the right. So now there's this little stagger going on here. Change that heading. Did I do 4 or 3? I think I did 4. Yep. All right, that looks good. Okay, so then you also can control the section colors. So if you click on this edit icon, you'll see you've got background. If you wanted to add an image or a video, you can do that. And you can change the color theme of your section. So maybe we want to use this color here and a different color here. It's very easy to do that by just clicking the edit icon, selecting colors, and actually let me scroll down. That way you can see it. And there you have it. We've changed the color of the background of the section, as well as on this one, changed the text color as well because of the settings that are on that color theme. So that pretty much shows you how you can add a page, how you can add sections using the designer layouts. And if you wanted to just add your own section, you just click Add Section. And you can add a blank section or another designer layout if you want. So it's really quite simple to go ahead and build your pages in Squarespace 7.1. And that shows you how it's done. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at support@squaredesignspace.com. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on how to build a website in Squarespace 7.1. Thanks for watching.